Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's video will be short because I'm not going to show you how to bake the cake. I'm going to show you how to decorate the cake. So let's get started. Making very unique flavored cake today. This is called Rasgulla cake. We simply get the Rasgulla tin from the market and make a very elegant and decorative cake. Alright, so I've used French vanilla cake mix from the store. Once the cake is baked and cool off, make 2 layers of it because we'll be adding heavy cream and rasgulla pieces in it. Alright, here is my rasgulla tin. I have separated the sugar syrup and rasgullas. Heat heavy whipping cream with 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar until it turns hard peaks. Alright, let's get decorating. Get a cake base, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and add the first layer of cake, sugar syrup from the rasgulla tin and first layer of heavy whipping cream and rasgulla pieces. Now add the second layer, repeat the process with sugar syrup and cover the cake with heavy whipping cream. I have separated some cream with pink gel food color and getting in a piping bag and trying to decorate the border of the cake. So just like this. And to add fun element to the cake, I have used the ice cream cone and simply rolling the piping bag with my pink food colored cream and adding rasgullas. Design is up to you, but this design is something very special to me because this shows the ice cream is overflowing with the rasgullas and all the cream and cherries on top. And look at this, how beautiful it came out. Nice and colorful, yet very easy to make. Just a different cake design. Just love it. And cherries on top and rasgulla on top. Nice subtle icing. I hope you like this recipe. So if you like this quick and easy cake decor idea, please give it a like and share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.